Hello everyone, good morning. So today I'm here in the veranda area and today is May 31. As you can see, I don't know if you can see, it's drizzling right now. Even the sun is up. So the weather is quite weird today, but it happens. So actually since last May 27, when the first rain comes, and my succulent get really wet and full water by the rain. May 28, May 29, and May 30, it has been raining every day. So in the afternoon, after lunch, sometimes around 4 p.m., it really raining hard. The rain was really so strong. Yeah, and it's my veranda area get flooded. Flooded, I mean. Yeah, so I'm making this quick video because it's drizzling right now, just to check if our succulents are okay after how many days of full and strong rain. So every day it's been raining. I guess it's already rainy season here in the Philippines. So I live here in Serang, Cavite, Philippines. For those who do not know, I see flower stalks. Yeah. So I hope that my succulents can cope up the rainy season, but I can see some casualties already, just like having fungus like this black leaves. So I just want to go around the succulent garden while the rain is not yet strong. Check on them because rainy season, I know the succulents are having adjustment on the weather right now. And I can see some black spots already. So let's see if we can see some casualties. So right now we are looking at the succulent on the first stainless rack. So for one casualty already is the variegated sedum clavato. I think it was not able to, I don't know what really happened. I think it's fungus because it's black leaves. So sad. But there are still some rosettes there that are okay. I guess I have to transfer this pot first so it will not get more water. So the only place that it will not really get so much water is under our propagation rack. So I'll be placing it here and see if it can survive. Though there are some rosettes, but as I pinch the stem, some stems are hard, some stems are mushy already. So I'll just isolate it for the meantime. And then, so there will be space there. And then the others are okay. So just like what I have said last, I think my vlog last Monday, I think so. So that there will be casualty because they got the first rain from the summer heat and sudden change of climate. So look what happened to our Mendoza. So what really happens is that in the morning it's very, very hot, feels like summer, and then suddenly in the afternoon, even if the sun is up, it's raining. So what do you expect for our plants to have is really sunburn. So I know it can recover, yeah. But the Murini doesn't have much sunburn. So let's go and see what other casualties we can see after the rain, the 4 days of strong rain. So for this one, this is our second stainless rain. So our robin is really having a hard time. Oh, there are really lots of mushy leaves, but babies are growing. Okay. And I spotted one, our purple core got really died because I think it's because of fungus. Yeah. So sad, my poor Poco. It's fungus here. It really happens to me every year after the first week of the rainy days because the succulent was not yet coping up with the weather coming from the strong heat of summer. Then suddenly it becomes rainy days. So in the morning it's summer, in the afternoon it's rainy days. So I'm really expecting some casualties are going. We're going to have some casualties here in my succulent garden. So we cannot really expect a perfect garden. So that's how gardening is. Sometimes you're lucky, sometimes you're not. So we cannot do about anything about the weather because it's natural. Yeah, we cannot stop the breeze at all. So for the second fitness rack is okay. Our propagation rack are also okay. But this part, the propagation rack is not yet, it's not that so wet. Maybe the way, I mean, it's against the way of the rain. Yeah. So for this part, let's see our curly chocolates are getting ready. So I think the one on top of the tiles, they are okay. No casualty. Yeah, they are okay. And I can see some soursop. And our rack of cactus, our Kiko is having offsets already. So happy. I'm not so sure if it's offset or flower buds. Let's see. So the cactus are still blooming because it's very hot in the morning. Right now the drifting stopped, so I can continue doing this vlog. It's just a quick update, so we're just going to see if there are more casualties. So we got two our sedum clavatum variegated. Sedum clavatum was trying, is going to die, but let's see after placing it under the rock if it will survive and recover. So far, our lash spots are okay, but the sunburn, there are sunburn. There's another sunburn here. So there are also times that when it rained hard, up in the morning it was sunny, so sunny just like the summer, and then suddenly it will rain at around 1 p.m. and then the sun will show up again at around 2 p.m. Yeah, that's how it is. So as you can see, it started to drizzle again, and then after the sun shows up at around 4, it will rain again. So there's really a stress coming on our succulents here in the Brande area. So for those who do not know, my location is in Silang, Cavite, Philippines. And my succulent garden here in the veranda area is actually an open space, no net, no UV plastic, yeah, and no roof to protect it. It's really an open area. So yeah, so far there are only two casualty, but I'm really heartbroken to what happened to our purple core because I just recently bought that purple core and I really love it. So if you could remember, these spots are the one that was shared in my last vlog, yeah. So so far they are okay. So I'm Madiva has black clip. Let's remove it. So far they are okay. And the rain is starting to get strong. And this is the last track that I have shared last I think last Friday, my vlog. And it's raining na. So I haven't shared those plants there and the one on top too. I'll just be giving updates on my next vlog because as you can see, it's raining already. I'm just wearing a hat. It's sunny, the sun is up, and yet it's raining. What a weird weather. I hope our chocolates can survive. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you like my sharing for today. And I hope your chocolates are okay, especially right now. It's the start of our rainy season. I hope no more casualties. So that's all for today. Bye. Happy gardening and God bless us all. See you on my next vlog. Bye bye.